Hi everyone, so for today's video, I just wanted to show you what I actually received recently, which is our new Bluetooth, parcel. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. I already kind of removed the cellophane there. So here you go. Here's the item. It's the U-Green thing. It actually cost like 300 pesos in Shopee. So let's take a look and see if this will work. Ayaw niya mag-open. Alright. So, ayan po. Ayaw niya mag-open. Ang tagal. Wait. So, i-search niyo lang po ito sa Shopee. This is what we call like Bluetooth. Bluetooth transfer files. So, pwede rin siya pang-connect sa mouse and everything. So, nasa 4.9 din po yung reviews niya. U-Green. So, I ordered it like last week. Dumating kahapon. At ayaw niya mag-open. So, meron siyang Bluetooth version 5.3 with a frequency range of 2,400 MHz. Yeah. Bluetooth profile A2DP. And then operating distance is up to 20 meters. Max is 66 feet. No blocking, of course. Then compatible system is Windows 8, 10, 11. So yung PC ko is nasa Windows 11 ata to. Yeah, Windows 8, 10 pala. So, Bluetooth 5.3 adapter, and then clear distortion-free audio, tapos mutual data transfer. So, ayan po yung inclusion. And now, let's go ahead and open it. Tada! So, may manual din pala siya. Ayan. Sabi nila is easy plug and play lang. So, gamitin natin yung plug and play. Wala, ang liit. Wala. Ayan, nakapangit. Ayan, diba? Dati-rati yung mga Bluetooth na yun, no? Sa 300 na lang. So, let's go ahead and open. Ayan. So, try na natin po sa ating PC. And then, let's go ahead and check it. Kagana talaga. Right? Ito na po yung ating Bluetooth. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. At wala siyang kalalagyan. Right? So, ano to? It's like all fully load. I'm gonna unplug this one. So, mawawala yung light. Ayan. O, diba? So, I'm gonna try to put it here. Easy plug and play lang naman sabi niya. So, ayun na. So, ayan, device is ready. So, puntahan natin sa settings. Settings. So, ayan po, diba? Let's check Bluetooth devices. Ayan yung Bluetooth natin. Tapos, keyboard wireless receiver. Tapos, other devices. Okay. So, ayan po. Let's check here. Wait lang, saglit. Andito ba? Hindi. Cables. Hindi rin. Ayan. Ito. Let's check this one. So, show Bluetooth devices. Ayan. Ito pa. So, anong pangalan nito nga? Okay. Let's try to see if masa-search ba siya sa ating cellphone. One moment. Okay, so ayan po. Let's go ahead and try to check the settings. Na. Ito po. Select. Ito po, check na natin. Let's go to Bluetooth. Let's check it out. And then let's check if nasa-search siya ng device. Ayan na nga, nandyan yung desktop. Perfect. So, ayan po. O, diba? So, ang i-check naman natin ngayon is yung magta-transfer ba siya ng data. Let's see. So, ang ating sample na isa-send yung image. And then, send. Asan yung send dito? Ayan. Send to Bluetooth. And, oy, wala siyang laman, king. Hala. Kala ko ba? Plug and play lang. Wait. Guys, na-remove ko yung other thing ko. So, let's try to see if mag-work. Okay. So, clinic ko yan. And then, ito, Bluetooth. And let's see. Oh, ayan na yun. Okay. So, let's check. Right. So, ayan na po. Connected na siya. See. And now, let's try to see if we can transfer some of the image now. Ayan, meron na. Perfect. Let's try it, guys. So, ayan, guys. Nagkaroon ng accept sa akin at yan, na-transfer siya. File successfully transferred. Perfect. O, diba? So, ayan. Okay naman siya i-set up pala. So, very easy. Medyo nalito na ako kasi hindi ako tech savvy. Anyway, that's it. So, ngayon naman guys is i-try natin na mag-send ng file and see if it works. Wait. Okay, ito. I-try natin siya send, share, Bluetooth. Wait. I don't know. That is not supposed to happen. Okay. Ito guys. Where's the Bluetooth? Ayan po. Wala, nakalimutan ko. Ito nga ba yun? Na, hindi ko masend. One more. Try natin ulit. Yung isa-isa. Now, parang wala siya guys. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-connect. Kailangan pala siya i-connect. Wait. Ayaw niya mag-receive sa akin. Bahala siya sa buhay niya. Here. So, medyo mahasa siya. Or yung akin lang talaga. O natin. Ayan. So, yun lang guys, para may issue siya sa ano to? Anyway. So, there you go guys. I'm actually like not sure how to fix the problem when it comes to sending out a file using my phone. So, right now I'm still trying to identify that. So anyway, just in case I will have any additional info to help you out, I'm gonna go ahead and upload them very soon in my YouTube channel. Anyway, I hope the process that I did is a first timer, since we all began as a first timer. Anyway, I hope that actually helps you out with the product that we're trying to use. Anyway, that's it for now. By the way, just an additional note, I'm using like a wireless mouse. So basically there's two wireless adapter there that my PC is connected. So I'm not sure if that actually like affect on how my cell phone actually finds out the Bluetooth adapter for transferring the data from my cell phone to the computer. But then, since that my computer, which is my main goal, is to transfer file from my computer to my phone, is working fine though. That's already all set for me. Thanks. Have a great day.